Hi everyone, welcome to Caking at Midnight. Tonight we're going to do things a little differently, and I'm going to show you the package that I got in the mail the other day. If you've been watching my stories, you know that I got a pretty green package from Mavelous Molds, and today is the big reveal. So we're going to unbox it together, unpackage it together, and we're going to try it out because I think that's the best way to try something. Now, I was not paid to do this review at all, so it's an unbiased opinion. Okay, so in this package, they're so cool. Okay, so they are they're new pinch molds. So these are 6 different molds, and they make 6 different sizes of pearls. You can see the package. There, you can see the package there. So they range anywhere from 4 millimeters to 14 millimeters, and I'm going to try 2, the biggest one and the smallest one tonight, and we're going to see how they work together. We're going to start with the big one. This big one. And that's why they call it pinch mold, so you can pinch it. To get started, you can use gum paste, fondant, a mixture of the two. Either one will work. Now it says to roll out your fondant just slightly higher than the mold. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, I think that'll work. Now with any other silicone mold, you wanna make sure that you dust the inside with cornstarch so it doesn't stick. And if there's excess on your fondant when you're done, you can always just use some Everclear or some lemon extract to get that cornstarch off there. So don't worry about the powder. I'm gonna shake that off there so you can see it's lightly powdered in there. Okay, so this is just higher than our mold, and what you're gonna do is take the mold, flip it over so the flat side is up, and then you want to take this and pinch it and set it right over the top of that roll of fondant or gum paste that you have. So make sure when you pinch it that it goes right in there. All right, it's gonna kind of have, you can see that it's kind of raised up. Whoa! Like a boat. Okay, now that you've got it in there, make sure that it's all the way in. You can always re-pinch it if you need to. And then take a palette knife or an X-Acto knife or just a straight blade and go over the top of your mold here. And this will create a flat surface for you. Now you can see the flat surface is totally inside that mold. We're good to go. Now that you've got it in there, you want to flip it back over so it's topping in, and then you can pull it right out. Pinch it, and it, oh, good, check it out. It literally falls right out of that mold. Oh, that's so cool. Now they're all like perfectly shaped. Oh, that's so cool. You know, like with other molds, I do have one here. So if you have one of these and you gotta push it over and push it out, you lose your shape with it, with these kind of molds. That did not happen with this. How cool is that? So I really want to try the tiny one, and this is the 4 millimeter one, and it's the same beautiful green silicone, and it pinches. I know it's hard to see because there it goes. So it pinches, it's a tiny one. This would be really cool on like really fine detail on cakes or cookies. So I really hope that this one works because it's so tiny. Here we go, you ready? You flip it back over. Whoa, check it out! Guys, check it out. It's so little. Can you see? Look how perfect that is. Oh my gosh, on cookies or like fine detail on a cake, that would be so cool. And they're all perfectly the same size. All perfectly the same size. With other molds like that, with rope molds, they don't all come out perfect like that. Oh, this is so cool. All right, here they are side by side. This one's drying out a little bit. So this is This little green one is the 4mm and this one is the 14mm. Very, very cool. I am impressed. Like I said before, I was not paid to say any of this. These are just that cool. So if you need a pinch mold or to make perfect pearls, check out the description down below and there will be a link in there to purchase these molds. So thanks for stopping by. If you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comments down below. And as always, happy caking. This is Allison.